Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce myself. My name Agustin from STIE Mandala Jember. The topic of my research is consumer switching behavior, an effect of COVID-19 in Jember Regency. Introduction. COVID-19 has a lot of effect on the socio-economic conditions. COVID-19 pandemic will cause a globally connected economic disruption. The government of the Republic of Indonesia has taken a policy in dealing with COVID-19 pandemic through various activities. COVID-19 caused change in people's spending behavior. Relevant previous research. Widayat and Arifin 2020, Kohli, Fabius and Veranen 2020, Andres 2020, Seth 2020, Permana 2019 defines consumer switching behavior as a movement made by users from one service provider to another. Gupta, Su and Walter 2004, Kawengian 2015. In his research results relevate that consumer switching behavior is much influenced by the factors of promotion, brand image and brand commitment, where brand image is the biggest factor in influencing consumer switching behavior. Objectives. This study aims to obtain an overview of consumer switching behavior during the COVID-19 pandemic. This study specifically aims to obtain an overview of change in people's spending behavior as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. How do consumers view government policies in handling COVID-19, and will consumers sustainably change their consumption habit? Research method. The method used in this research is a survey method, quantitative study using descriptive statistical approach. The population in this study were people affected by existing COVID-19 pandemics in Jember Regency. The number of sample 170 respondents. Sampling technique using a simple random sampling. Data collection method using questionnaire and interview. To deepen the discussion of the researchers also use secondary data obtained from various reliable sources. The research area taken was limited to Jember Regency and research time was vulnerable from April to August. Research and discussion. Characteristic respondent based on gender, age, education level and income level. Based on the table 1 above, it can be seen that the majority of respondents in this study had a male gender with a percentage of 52.1%. In terms of age, the majority of respondents are 31 to 40 years old. In terms of education level, the majority of respondents have master's degree education with a percentage of 45.6%. In terms of the income level factor, the majority of respondents had an income ranging from the 3 million to 4 million, with a percentage of 29%. Public perspective towards government policy in handling COVID. The Indonesian government's policy in handling COVID is a quiet good. This is reflected in the answers of respondents regarding the question, "What did you do in the COVID-19 pandemic?" The result was 75% of respondents answered stay at home. Only 11.8% were active as usual. The question about how do you view government regulation regarding social distancing in the COVID-19 pandemic, the result is proven that 93.5% of respondents answered that government regulation regarding social distancing in the COVID-19 pandemic must be obeyed by the community. Only 2% of respondents answered that this regulation must not be obeyed. Public perspective towards government policy in handling COVID-19. People have different spending patterns compared to normal times. Public expenditure for consumption needs tends to increase by a percentage of 46.7%. As many as 34.3% think that the amount spent during the pandemic tends to remain constant, while the remaining 18.9% state that the amount of expenditure on wandering consumption was reduced or decreased. Consumer switching behavior conditions during the COVID-19 pandemic. During the COVID-19 pandemic, there were many changes in society behavior in meeting their daily needs. Government regulation in handling the COVID-19 pandemic are a factor in the changing behavior of people's consumption. The impact of government policy on change in shopping behavior. Figure 1 shows that the majority of respondents or as much as 71.6% agree that the pattern of spending behavior to meet consumption needs has changed. This behavior change was caused by public concern about the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, so that people tend to be careful about shopping. Figure 2 shows that results of this study indicate that 55.6% of respondents think that comfort, safety, and completeness of shopping facilities are factors that need to be considered when shopping in the COVID-19 pandemic. Service quality and pricing are not the main consideration for people when shopping. Factors that people take into account when shopping amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Figure 3 shows that the results of the study, 39.6% of respondents thought that concern due to COVID-19 was a major factor for people in making purchases amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Another factor that becomes community consideration is government advice or experts with a percentage of 17.9%. Conclusion. Number 1. Government policy in handling the COVID-19 pandemic have led to change in people's spending behavior. Number 2. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the amount of public expenditure for consumption needs tends to increase. Number 3. Government policies in handling COVID-19 have caused change in consumption behavior. The factors that encourage buying necessities during the COVID-19 pandemic are due to concern about the impact of COVID-19 and on the advice of the governments or experts. Number 5. The types of goods purchased during a pandemic are necessities such as rice, eggs, instant noodles, sugar, and oil, and items needed to maintain health such as hand sanitizer, masks, and vitamins. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi